Blenders are essential for quick smoothies, food prep, sauces, and healthy homemade nutrition daily. My today's video is about top 5 best blender that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Hamilton Beach Blender. This Hamilton Beach Blender delivers strong and reliable performance, making it a great addition to any kitchen. With 700 watts of peak blending power and durable stainless steel ice saber blades, it easily handles smoothies, protein shakes, frozen drinks, and even tough ingredients like ice and frozen fruit. The patented wave action system ensures consistently smooth results by continuously pulling ingredients down into the blades, helping to crush and blend everything evenly without leaving chunks. It produces a creamy, well-mixed texture every time. The 40-ounce glass jar is sturdy and practical, and the built-in pouring spout makes serving clean and mess-free. Cleaning is also simple since the jar, lid, and removable blades are all dishwasher safe, saving time after use. With 12 blending functions controlled by an easy-to-use panel, this blender offers excellent versatility for chopping, pureeing, crushing, and more. Overall, it is a powerful, user-friendly, and dependable appliance for everyday blending needs. Now our second product is Breville Blender. The Breville Flip and Store Smoothie Blender is a smart and practical choice for modern kitchens, especially where space is limited. Its unique space-saving design allows the 6-cup jar to flip onto the base, reducing storage space by up to 50%, making it ideal for compact countertops. Powered by a 450-watt motor and a durable 4-tip stainless steel blade, it delivers strong blending performance, easily crushing ice, frozen fruits, and other tough ingredients. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or salsas, it provides consistently smooth and reliable results. The 10-speed control system offers excellent versatility, allowing you to adjust blending power for everything from light mixing to full liquefying. The BPA-free 6-cup jar is thoughtfully designed with a comfortable handle and easy pour spout, ensuring mess-free serving. The removable measuring cap also adds convenience during blending. Cleanup is simple, as the jar and lid are dishwasher safe, and the cord stores neatly. Overall, it's a compact, efficient, and user-friendly blender. Our third product is Breville Blender. This Breville high-speed blender offers strong and reliable performance, making it a great choice for everyday nutrition and family use. With a powerful 700W motor and hardened 6 stainless steel blades, it blends smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks quickly and smoothly, delivering consistent results in seconds. The 3-speed control adds flexibility, allowing you to adjust blending intensity based on different ingredients. The 40-ounce jar is well suited for families or small gatherings, making it easy to prepare larger batches of drinks, baby food, sauces, or even jams. The included measuring cup helps ensure accurate, mess-free pouring and preparation. Cleaning is simple thanks to the convenient self-cleaning function. Just add warm water and soap and activate it for quick maintenance. The pulse feature is also useful for crushing ice or handling tougher ingredients with better control. With added safety features like a secure lock system and stable non-slip base, this blender ensures safe and steady operation. Overall, it is a versatile, practical, and user-friendly kitchen appliance. Now number 4, Ommo Blender. This Ommo Blender delivers professional-grade performance, making it a powerful and reliable addition to any kitchen. With an impressive 1800W motor, it easily handles everything from protein shakes and smoothies to frozen cocktails, delivering smooth and consistent results in seconds. The hardened 6-blade system made from food-grade 304 stainless steel is highly effective at crushing ice and frozen fruits, making it ideal for icy smoothies and thick drinks. It performs well even with tough ingredients, ensuring a fine, even texture every time. The variable speed control and pulse function give excellent flexibility, allowing you to achieve anything from silky smooth blends to chunkier textures like salsa or sauces. The large 60 ounces BPA-free jar is perfect for families or gatherings, offering enough capacity for multiple servings at once. Its thoughtfully designed lid with a handle makes pouring easy and spill-free, while dishwasher-safe parts simplify cleanup. Overall, it's a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly blender built for everyday and heavy-duty use. And our last choice is Breville Blender. The Breville Fresh and Furious Blender is an impressive blend of power, convenience, and thoughtful design. Its 9 one-touch programs and 5 speed settings make it easy to prepare smoothies, green drinks, soups, and crushed ice with consistent results every time. I especially appreciated how intuitive the controls are. Simply press a button and let the machine do the work. The Hemisphere Performance technology stands out by creating exceptionally smooth textures while crushing ice into a fine, snow-like consistency. Smoothies come out creamy and well blended without chunks, and the motor is noticeably quieter than many high-powered blenders, making it comfortable for daily use. The LCD display is clear and easy to read, while the assist lid seals securely and removes effortlessly. The optional vacuum compatibility is a great bonus for anyone who wants fresher flavor and better color retention in blended drinks. Overall, this is a premium, reliable blender that delivers excellent performance, versatility, and ease of use for everyday kitchens. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.